Precision Door, a name you can trust.
A common but catastrophic garage door failure can occur when objects such as 2x4s, garden equipment, ladders, and bicycles can get caught in the garage door track while the door is traveling. In the case of this door, the rollers slid almost completely out of the hinges, which caused the door to basically hang or suspend itself above anything that's in the garage. This could fall on a vehicle, it could create extensive damage inside the garage or property damage. As a homeowner, what you should do is come out and take a look at what is around the garage door track. Make sure it's clean and free of debris, garden tools, bikes, and ladders. Make sure nothing is obstructing the track or on the outside of the track that could fall in and cause the door to grab as it travels up and down. This common, simple mistake can cause the garage door to fail and can result in a very pricey repair or, in some cases, a brand new door installation.
Precision Door Service, a name you can trust.